Hello, welcome. Hope you're doing well. I'm Lily, happy to have you here. So this morning I went op shopping and picked up a couple of things. I got a Polo Ralph Lauren long sleeve top. This one was $8 and I think it's really cute. It's quite vintage looking. It is a little bit short in the sleeves, but I don't really mind as it is spring, so the shorter the better. Okay, the next one that I got is a All About Eve cropped black v-neck t-shirt. I really like this. It didn't actually have the tag on it, so I don't know which way it's supposed to go, but normally with the All About Eve things, the little silver thing goes at the back, so I'm guessing that's I'm wearing it the right way. And I also picked up these two t-shirts. They are the same brand, Gildan. I don't know, they look like sporting t-shirts. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be using for the DIY part of this video, so I didn't really care what they looked like. I just wanted two t-shirts that were the same size, same type of material, and yeah, they were only $5 each, so can't go wrong. And they were secondhand, even better. So the DIY part of this video was inspired by With Wendy, who was inspired by Letitia. But I will link them both down below, and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is lay out your t-shirts and figure out which one you want on what side. I knew that I wanted the blue one on the left as it had the print only on that side. And then I went and pinned the center of the grey t-shirt at the top and at the bottom, just so that I knew where the center was. I then went and put my ruler down. You can draw this with chalk if you're not very confident in cutting a straight line, but I didn't have any with me, so I just guessed it. But you want to cut that with at least a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance, because otherwise if the t-shirt fits you properly as it is, it will not fit you when you sew them together. Alright, so you just want to cut that straight down along that seam allowance line, and then you want to do the same on the other t-shirt. On the opposite side though, not on the same side. Alright, so now we're going to put the front of the t-shirts right sides together so that the front of the t-shirt are facing each other, and then we're going to go and sew this together. You could also hand sew this, it would take a lot longer though. Alright, so now we're going to do the same to the back, so you just want to pin this from the top to the bottom or the bottom to the top. Doesn't matter as long as it's pinned so that it doesn't move around when you're sewing it.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
And we're done. That is it. I actually love this t-shirt and I've been wearing it all day since I made it this morning. I just think it is so cool having the two different patterns, and yeah, if you did this with two t-shirts that were completely different, I think that would look so cool, like one with a muted colour and one with a really bright colour. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. just